India's most dynamic startup destinations, Hyderabad, and the broader state of Telangana. Whether you're inspired by the bustling energy of high-tech city, the innovation hubs like T-Hub, or the agriculture-rich lands of rural Telangana, this region offers more than just potential. It offers a launchpad. Over the past decade, Telangana has emerged as one of India's most proactive startup ecosystems. Looking to tap into India's next wave of growth, this video is your gateway to understanding 20 high-potential startup ideas tailored for the Hyderabad and Telangana ecosystem. Let's begin. 1. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. 1. Agritech SaaS platform helps farmers access real-time data on weather, soil, crop cycles, and prices. What it solves? Informs farmers with real-time data on weather and market prices. Audience, farmers, agri-businesses. Market size, $65 billion plus by upcoming year. Investment, Rs 25 to 30L. Profit, 25-35%. Govt schemes, RKVY PM Kizan. 2. EV charging station network. Build a network of electric vehicle charging points across Hyderabad and highways. What it solves? Range anxiety, lack of EV infrastructure. Audience, EV users, fleets. Market size, Rs 1. 8 LCR plus by upcoming year. Investment, Rs 12, 15L/station. Profit, 25-30%. Govt schemes, Telangana EV policy. 3. Hyperlocal delivery aggregator. Solve last-mile delivery for groceries, medicines, and essentials. What it solves? On-demand delivery for groceries, medicines, food, and essentials. Audience, urban households. Market size, Rs 90, 000 CR plus by upcoming year. Investment, Rs 8, 10L. Profit, 20-30%. Govt schemes, Startup India Seed Fund. 4. Health Tech Diagnostics app. AI-driven mobile diagnostics and health tracking app. What it solves? Quick, remote diagnostics and preventive health services. Audience, rural, working professionals. Market size, $8 billion plus by upcoming year. Investment, Rs 15, 20L. Profit, 35-50%. Govt schemes, Ayushman Bharat. 5. Vernacular EdTech platform. Build regional language content, especially in Telugu. What it solves? Access to quality learning content in Telugu and other regional languages. Audience, rural and Tier 2 students. Market size, $30 billion by upcoming years. Investment, Rs 20-30L. Profit, 35-45%. Govt schemes, Diksha PM Avidya. 6. Organic farming and D2C brand. Farm-to-table organic produce brand. What it solves? Demand for clean, chemical-free food. Audience, urban families. Market size, 12,000 crore rupees. Investment, 10 to 20 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 40%. Govt schemes, PKY Enam. 7. AI career services platform. Resume builders and interview tools powered by AI. What it solves? Poor resume quality, lack of interview skills. Audience, students, job seekers. Market size, 5,000 crore rupees by upcoming years. Investment, 5 to 7 lakhs. Profit, 50 to 60%. Govt schemes, Skill India. 8. Drone as a service. Offer drone surveys for real estate, agri, logistics. What it solves? Surveying, crop monitoring, delivery, surveillance. Audience, Govt, farms, real estate. Market size, $2.21 billion by upcoming years. Investment, 20 to 25 lakhs. Profit, 35 to 45%. Govt schemes, Drone Shakti. 9. Regional OTT content studio. Make and license Telugu digital content. What it solves? Scarcity of regional OTT content. Audience, Telugu viewers globally. Market size, 30,000 crore rupees digital content. Investment, 15 to 25 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 50%. Govt schemes, Digital India. 10. Biofertilizer manufacturing. Natural alternatives to chemical fertilizers. What it solves? Harmful impact of chemical fertilizers. Audience, farmers, dealers. Market size, 6,000 crore rupees by upcoming years. Investment, 18 to 22 lakhs. Profit, 35 to 40%. Govt schemes, NMSA. 11. Smart home automation. Tech-enabled systems that automate lighting, security, appliances, and energy use. What it solves? Energy savings, security, convenience. Audience, homeowners, hotels. Market size, 10,000 crore rupees by upcoming year. Investment, 12 to 20 lakhs. Profit, 40 to 45%. Govt schemes, Smart City Mission, 12, micro waste-to-energy plants. Small-scale units that convert municipal or organic waste into usable energy. What it solves? Urban waste management, clean energy. Audience, towns, industries. Market size, 15,000 crore rupees. Investment, 30 to 50 lakhs. Profit, 25 to 35%. Government, Swachh Bharat. 13, legal tech platform for MSMEs. Technology-driven platforms that simplify compliance, contracts, and documentation for small businesses. What it solves? Complex compliance and documentation. Audience, startups, SMEs. Market size, 7,000 crore rupees plus by upcoming year. Investment, 10 to 15 lakhs. Profit, 50 to 60%. Govt schemes, legal startup aid. 14, Ayurveda skincare brand. Natural, chemical-free skincare products rooted in Ayurvedic formulations. What it solves? Side effects from chemical cosmetics. Audience, women 18 to 45. Market size, 55,000 crore rupees by upcoming years. Investment, 15 to 25 lakhs. Profit, 40 to 60%. Govt schemes, Ayush Ministry. 15, online skill academy for blue-collar workers. Digital learning platform offering upskilling in trades like plumbing, welding, carpentry, etc. What it solves? Upskilling for plumbers, electricians, blue-collar workers. Audience, electricians, plumbers. Market size, 12,000 crore rupees by upcoming years. Investment, 8 to 12 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 40%. Government Skill India Mission. 16. Pet healthcare platform. One-stop digital platform for pet grooming, vet booking, nutrition, and e-pharmacy. What it solves? Lack of structured pet care. Audience, pet parents and metros. Market size, Rs7,000 CR by upcoming years. Investment, Rs10, 15L. Profit, 25-30%. Govt schemes. Animal Welfare Board. 17. Vernacular AI chatbots for SMEs. AI-powered customer service tools that operate in regional Indian languages. What it solves? Language barriers in small business operations. Audience, small businesses, local stores. Market size, Rs8,000 CR AI market by upcoming years. Investment, Rs710L. Profit, 45-55%. Govt schemes, Digital India, 18. Medicated elderly wearables, smart devices embedded in clothing that monitor health parameters. What it solves? Remote vitals monitoring and fall detection. Audience, seniors, hospitals. Market size, $6 billion by upcoming years. Investment, Rs20, 30L. Profit, 30-40%. Govt schemes, NDHM, 19. Telangana Cuisine Cloud Kitchen. Delivery-only kitchen specializing in regional dishes like sarva pindi, biryani, and kodi kura. What it solves? Access to authentic regional food. Audience, urban youth, professionals. Market size, Rs20, 000 CR by upcoming years. Investment, Rs8, 12L. Profit, 35-50%. Govt schemes, PMFME, 20. Blockchain land record verification. Blockchain tech to digitize, verify, and safeguard land records. What it solves? Land fraud and ownership disputes. Audience, buyers, Govt. Market size, Rs25, 000 CR PropTech. Investment, Rs15, 20L. Profit, 40-45%. Govt schemes, Digital Land Records Program. Hyderabad and Telangana aren't just places on the map. They're blueprints for India's innovation future. At Market Research Universe, MRU, we provide our services, real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. Our solution, MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform. Let's turn your idea into India's next big success story.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.